Fender Drives is exhibiting Ninjaflex and Semiflex. We were one of the first flexible filament providers in the market. Semiflex was just launched in December, and it's a little bit stiffer material. Our standard Ninjaflex is about an 85A durometer, and Semiflex is a 98A or a 50D. It was one of the first flexible filaments on the market, and it just gives the consumer a little bit something different to do with their printed objects. We're an industrial belting company, and we have over 50 years of extrusion experience. And one of our engineers at the time was into the new maker movement and thought we could extrude urethane, and from then came Ninjaflex. And we kind of didn't really know at first, and then it's exploded into this up-and-coming product. What we found, especially in a flexible filament, because it's so finicky in many of the printers, is that without the quality, it'll jam, it doesn't even work. So it's definitely a key part of the final product. Right now we are working on a couple things I can't really get into too many details on, but we are launching 3 new colors a month. Right now we currently have 17 colors, and we're expanding every month. Then we're going to start expanding our Semiflex line as well, and introducing more colors in that as well.